Welcome. This morning we will focus on cultivating a sense of gratitude. Gratitude is like a warm, gentle light that can fill your heart, bringing peace, joy, and a deep sense of connection to everything around you. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. Now let's begin this gratitude meditation. So start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and fresh, and as you exhale, feel the warmth leaving your body. With each breath, imagine drawing in a sense of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, let go of any stress or tension you may be holding on to. Now bring your attention to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your body deep into the ground, anchoring you, connecting you to the earth. Feel the stability and support of the ground beneath you. As you breathe in, draw up this grounding energy, letting it fill your body with a sense of stability and peace. You are safe, you are supported, and you're exactly where you need to be. Now gently shift your focus to the things in your life that you're grateful for. Now start with something simple, like the air you breathe, the warmth of the sun, or the comfort of the space that you're in right now. Take a moment to really feel the gratitude in your heart for these small but significant blessings. As you continue to breathe deeply, expand your awareness to include the people in your life who bring you joy and support. Really picture them in your mind, and as you do, feel a sense of gratitude for their presence in your life. It could be family, friends, a mentor, or even a beloved pet. Imagine sending them a wave of appreciation, thanking them silently for the role they play in your life. Now think of experiences or opportunities you've had that have enriched your life. Perhaps it's a challenge you overcame, a new skill you learned, or a beautiful memory that still brings you happiness. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for these experiences, recognizing how they have shaped who you are today. And finally, bring your attention to yourself. Acknowledge the strength, resilience, and kindness you carry within. Thank yourself for showing up today, for making time for this meditation, and for all the ways you can strive to grow and improve. Let this gratitude fill your heart, warming you from the inside out. Now imagine this sense of gratitude as a soft, glowing light within your heart. With each breath, see this light expanding, filling your entire being with warmth and love. As it grows, imagine it extending beyond your body, reaching out to the world around you. Picture this light touching everything and everyone in your life, spreading the energy of gratitude far and wide. See this light of gratitude illuminating your path for the day ahead. Let it guide you in your intentions, reminding you to appreciate the little things, to recognize the good in others, and to be kind to yourself. Know that this light of gratitude is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. So as we prepare to close this meditation, take a few final deep breaths. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the warmth and peace of the gratitude you've cultivated today. Good work today, and namaste.